how to get 1xbet promo code. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get 1xbet promo code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, there isn't a specific blueprint to achieving a promo code for 1xbet, but what you can do is normally whenever someone sends a promo code, you might get a notification right here, or you can just go to history and check if 1xbet has set any sort of notifications. Usually during the newsletters and notifications, they might give you a promo code. The other way you can also get promo code is if you follow them on social media handles. They might actually give out some promo codes on Instagram, on Facebook, and other social media handles that they provide, where you can find the promo codes. But just keep in mind that there isn't a specific blueprint to this. It's just that if the company wants to put out the promo code, they will put it out and then you will be able to use them on a certain condition. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.